You may sometimes encounter Windows 11 login problems as you cannot log in even after entering a correct PIN or password. So in this video, we will show you how to fix that. Now first up, boot into Windows 11 safe mode by clicking the power icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then select Restart. Now click Restart anyways if a confirmation is required. Then, release the Shift key when Windows starts to reboot. Then in the Choose an Option screen, click on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, click on Startup Settings, then click on Restart. Now in the Startup Settings screen, select the number of safe mode to enable safe mode. Then, the Windows will restart in safe mode. Now you have to enter your account password and log in. And you will also see a black screen with the safe mode pasted in the corners. Next, click on Start and then select Restart. Then wait for Windows to restart, and on the login screen, enter your password again, and you can now log in successfully. For the next solution, change your Microsoft account password. To do that, open Microsoft account page, and then log in with your Microsoft account username and password. Next, open the Security tab, click on Change My Password under the Password Security option, enter your current password, and then enter your new password. Once you're done doing that, click Save and use the new password to log into your computer. Now if you're still unable to log in, a factory reset may be your last resort. To do that, open Settings, search for Reset This PC, click the Reset This PC option, and you can either choose to keep your files or remove everything before making a hard reset on your computer. So those are the ways on what you can do to fix the Windows 11 login problems in your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.